He's not the Zach whom we had known all those years ago. What's the...
Sure! You'll be alright, Lord. I'm really gonna go now.
Please, are you gonna be okay?
Don't worry about me.
Sure, Ray. I beg you, please, settle down now! People, thank you, people! Thank you. New factories, new railroads mean civilization! People! Modernization, people!
We bring new jobs and a whole new life. Put your village in my hands. Trust me, you will never be poor again. Would you want to plow the paddy fields forever? Do you want the same old future for your children? Come on now, my fellow friends. Be sensible. This is a chance to become rich and powerful. Like me. Like us.
Stop! What are you doing? This is our village, remember? What about the trees, the animals that you love so much? And the fields, our culture, Zach!
Whoever said that will take culture away? And the trees, the animals? Darling, you're beautiful, but do you actually know what you're talking about?
Zach!
Hey, you vicious! Heartless! Why are you let me go, let me knock some sense into you!
Demolition starts in 1 week's time. My friends, if you know what's best for you, trust me, it will be the right choice. Now come back here tonight and we'll discuss about the proceeds each one of you shall receive. Now will you please excuse me before the silly babble gets carried away?
Hey, devious moron!
Shut
Why
up!
don't you go back to the stupid house in which you left your heart in? Hey, shut up!
Enough!
Try mentioning the house.
Hey, butler, huh? What will you do, huh?
Enough, Shut up!
Whatever you think I am, I'm not.
So stop acting like you know me!
To turn your back on your long-lost friend, someone who now was everything you thought him not to be, can tear anyone apart. But it has to be done. The dissent has to be shown. And so it is, to show this dissent against Zach's disruptive plans, and in direct opposition to Zach's invitation, the villagers decide to put up the greatest festival of the grandest proportions. What would Shah feel about this? What would Shwetri feel about this, about how Zach has changed? Meanwhile, what was happening between Kaming and Shwetri? Let's find out.
Hey, ready? About ready? Party's gonna start soon. Come on, Shah's waiting.
Hold on, I'm coming. Be patient, please.
Okay.
There you are.
Hey.
Be back.
What's wrong? You okay?
I just hope Zach will understand what we're doing. I don't want him to think that we're all turning against him. He'll feel horrible.
And what about you? Feeling pretty bad right now?
Excuse me. For someone who seems so quiet, the things you can say are almost always pretty straightforward. You're coming?
Shwetri, I just want to make sure you're okay.